I'm meeting Emma and Jose. We're going to do like a little Casper's video, mukbang video. It's been highly requested on my channel. How about your channel? You wanted to do Casper's, right?
Yeah.
And you ever had it?
No.
Oh,
I think I've
you
had
like
it once, but I don't know if I had Casper's with a C or Casper's with a K, because there's two.
Yeah. I usually do the C, but... So Emma went to get the hot dogs, and we're just chilling. We're at a nice park, and it's really quiet.
Yeah, it's actually really nice weather.
Yeah.
Hopefully, yeah, it's not really that windy, and I don't think we might get like that breeze on the mics.
Yeah, we decided to bring our mics.
Yeah.
So I don't know, we're gonna try it out. And so yeah, we'll see you guys. We're gonna film in a few minutes. Sounds good. Casper's, guys, highly requested chili dogs.
Oh wow.
What's in here? Chips.
What did you get, babe?
I got everything we talked about. And then I got you a side of chili because I wasn't sure if you wanted chili on your hot dog. And then your hot dog was really small, so I got you an extra hot dog.
Oh, really?
And then I got just an extra hot dog in case anybody was still hungry.
All right, guys, we are finished eating. We went to Casper's. What do you guys think?
I'm stuffed.
It's really good.
It's good, huh?
Yeah, definitely delish.
We don't really have anything left over, do we?
No.
Just a little bit of chili left over and some
chips,
and that's pretty much it. So
yep.
That was our video, guys.
Yeah, thanks for inviting us, Karen. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And can't wait to do it again.
Sounds fun. Yay. Went to Safeway today. All right, so today is Monday, President's Day, around 6 p.m. I went to Safeway, guys. I'm actually trying a new mic, so let me know if you like it or don't like it. But people are saying they can't hear me, so I'm trying to add a new mic when I do a video. It's taking a little bit longer to prep up, but so tonight I'm making a Big Mac low-carb casserole. So this is most of the stuff I got. So I was craving some chips, and I got some of this spinach dip in here. Oh yeah, it's right here. I was craving chips and spinach dip. I ate that a little bit on the way. And every time Kraft macaroni and cheese is on sale for $1, I always get it because that's a really good deal. And I think Kraft has macaroni and cheese is the best macaroni and cheese. I haven't seen this before, but it's crispy cookie thins ginger spice with cinnamon and molasses. It's a Safeway brand. It looks really good, so I just got it. Yeah, so the casserole, I do need sliced pickles. That's what I got. Got some organic half and half. And Angus grass-fed beef. For the casserole, obviously. This is my favorite ice cream. It's still on sale for $2.50. Bourbon maple blondie ice cream right there. It's my favorite. It's so good. I did get some Pepsi. I might have some tonight for the casserole dish, but every time I'm really tired, this really helps. It's crazy. I know Coke has a new energy drink. I might try that out, but now this coffee was really a good deal at Safeway. Normally 10, sell for $5, so you save $5, and this is Totally Hawaiian blend. This is really good, guys. I would recommend it. I had a couple of TV dinners for work in case I don't have time to, go out or want to be cheap or just something simple. This is still relish for the casserole. Got iceberg lettuce for the casserole. White onion for the casserole. And lastly, we got 2 different cheeses for the casserole. Oh, it's for sharp cheddar and mozzarella cheese. So just to let you guys know, it takes a lot of time to prep for a video. I'm not going to just like make a video right now. I mean, like, I haven't done an hour. What I'm going to do right now is to get ready to take a bath. I'm going to do a face. Let me show you the face mask I'm going to use. This is the face mask I'm going to use. I got this, I think, at CVS yesterday. It's a Korean one, but it's supposed to calm and soften your face. So yeah, like I said, there's a lot of things I do when I do a video. Like tonight, I never won't eat until about, it's like 7:30 or something like that. I probably won't eat until 8, to be honest, because I'm gonna take a bath, put a face mask on, then put my makeup on. Then I'm gonna clean the kitchen, so it's a nice background. It's kind of messy right now. And then after cleaning the kitchen, I'm gonna start filming the recipe, how to make it, because it's like a little recipe. I'm gonna add in the video, and then I'm gonna film the regular video. So it's by all that. So it's going to take a while for me to film the video. Oh, and then I have to set up. I have 2 lights. That normally when I do my lights, they're not here all the time because it looks all crappy and messy. The lights I have is in my car. Still in my car. And then I have to get the boxes to put the lights on. I get another box here, another book here for the food. So it's like a lot. It takes a long time to make a video. Believe it or not, I just learned that Em and Jose, they don't even have a table. It's like all these boxes and stuff, apparently, and bins or something like that. So it's about 1:30 in the morning. I can't sleep very well. I can't really sleep very well. Can't sleep really well, but I'm gonna start taking some CBD oil, and I got some. It is full spectrum, 750 cinnamon flavor. That's what it looks like. So I just took like 3 drops under my tongue, and I want to try it out. Maybe do like a week or 2 weeks experience to see if it helps. The main issue I'm having right now is I'm having some pain in my right shoulder because I'm doing this big project at my day job, filing, lifting boxes, a lot of repetitive stuff. So that's the kind of main reason I want to, what I want to use it for. I also want to see if it's going to help with other stuff, like maybe reduce my anxiety, make me feel calmer, make me have more energy, make me sleep better, maybe even my digestion will be better. I don't know. So I'm just trying it out, and the directions for the week is to take 3 to 5 drops twice a day under your tongue for 60 seconds to maybe 2 minutes and a half, and then after that you swish in your mouth for a little bit to get the full effect. And I feel like I'm starting to feel a little relaxed, so that's good. But I definitely need to be sleepy because it's 1:30 a.m. in the morning and I'm not super tired. And I have to be at work by 8 tomorrow, so yeah. So trying a little experiment guys. All right, it's Tuesday night at around almost 6 p.m. I'm gonna have a little bit of a snack before dinner or whatever. I'm having some chips with cheese, some spinach dip, and some chips. After this, I'm taking an hour nap and I'm gonna do my laundry. So tonight's laundry night, so I don't have a lot of time, but hopefully I can edit my video of my homemade chicken crockpot dinner. All right, guys, it's around 9:16 p.m. I just finished my laundry, came back, trying to finish editing my crockpot chicken dinner. I think I made this 1 or 2 weeks ago. I've just been so busy, but I remember making this dish probably like a week and a half ago. It was really good. This is when I came home and I was like, so as I'm editing this video, I'm like, oh my god, that chicken crockpot was so good. I want to make it again. Or maybe I should make another chicken dish in a crock pot, but I really liked it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go to bed early tonight. I didn't go to bed till like 1:30 in the morning last night. So my energy is really low. But I did want to tell you guys, I took 3 drops of the CBD oil last night. Only 3 drops. The directions say it's 3 to 5 drops twice a day, but I decided just to do, you know, I didn't take any today yet. I'll probably take some more tonight, a few drops tonight, but I just wanted to just do a little experiment and just start off slow. And I did notice that I slept really deeply, so that was good. And I woke up rested. But yeah, I think I'm gonna finish this video, editing this video, take a bath, and just go to bed. Hopefully I can go to bed by 11 to 11:30. That'll be nice. All right, so today is Wednesday around 12 p.m. I went to Target for my lunch. Target has a Starbucks, so I got a caramel macchiato. I had some chips already, but these were like the honey Dijon from Kettle. They're really good. And I got these wraps. I wanted something a bit lighter. And I think this is $5.99. It's really good. It has like chicken with buffalo style sauce with lettuce. It's really good. And I got this for $1. Lucky. Yeah, because I realized, so St. Patrick's Day is on a Tuesday. I'm off. I'm off my evening job Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I could easily do like a special live video on St. Patrick's Day. So I never made corned beef and cabbage. It's one of my favorite meals. I love it a lot with carrots, potatoes. I love that type of dish. I love cabbage. I never made it before, so I was looking at recipes for Instant Pot, and it looks like you can probably cook it for like, I think it takes 90 minutes. So what I might do is come home Tuesday night, put everything in the Instant Pot, have it cook for 90 minutes, and just probably take a little nap. And when I wake up, I'll be ready to go, and I can do my live video. So I don't know. Yeah, so that's my plan. So that's why I got that. So that's why I got this, guys. But yeah, I could do a little mukbang video maybe on this one. Yesterday I had hardly anything. Sometimes when I eat really bad food or something, I don't know what it is. My stomach is just, I'm just not hungry. Like Sauce Queen, she doesn't eat for a couple of days. I did text her to make sure, and she says, yep, sometimes she doesn't eat for a few days. You know, I think it's when I had that Big Mac casserole, and then I had a bunch of chips earlier, and then after that I wanted some ice cream and coffee, and I just had a bunch of bad food. But so it looks like it's pretty good. You know what? That doesn't taste good at all. Oh my god. That tastes terrible. It's never this bad. I wonder when the expiration date is. Damn. It says it's best by 2/17. All right, it's best by 2/17. I just checked the date. It's 2/19. So they have expired chicken wraps at Target. It's not good. So down the street there is a Vietnamese restaurant. I'm gonna order myself a Vietnamese sandwich, guys. All right, guys, got my sandwich. That thing from Target was bad. Wow. Look at all the cilantro they put on. Holy moly, cilantro. Has like carrots, chicken, onions. This is really good. Wow. There's also cucumber in here too. It's really good. All right, guys, it's Saturday around, what time is it? 12:15. I just finished one Reiki session, 90 minutes. I have another one to go in 15 more minutes, 12:30 p.m. Then I have to work at 4 p.m. at my cashier job. So it's gonna be a long day, guys, a long day. So yeah, I might go to Trader Joe's after here. I want to eat some healthy foods. I haven't eaten really healthy this week, so I'm gonna get some salads or something, maybe a healthy salad for dinner tonight. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be doing a lot of filming today because this is I just want to go home, take a little nap, and relax. All right, guys, I got a couple of items from Walmart. I got this Reese's Pieces peanut butter eggs. Are so good. I also got this. St. Patrick's shirt that I thought I would wear this on a live video. So yeah, I want to do a live St. Patrick's Day video, and I thought it'd be kind of fun since I'm off on a Tuesday. Might as well just do it and just make some corned beef and cabbage. And I thought the shirt would go good with the live video. It says, "I don't need luck, I'm magical." So that's kind of cute. And I got some bottled water, but I left that in the car.